What's going on, everybody? I'm restocking the fridge. Nothing much I'm doing. I'm actually running this off my iPhone. I don't even have any regular setup going on here. Hey, whatever. I gotta do all kinds of stuff because I got kids that are just pain in the ass today, so really don't have time to do anything other than this little thing. I have to stock my fridge because my lovely wife decided to take every last beer I have and give herself a pedicure with it. If that makes any sense. Well, whatever, I don't mind. It always gives me a reason to stock up on more beer. Don't worry, I will avenge my fallen soldiers in battle. We'll see what I'll think up of. She'll probably get really pissed off. It's okay. It's okay. I'll figure something out here. Stocking up the beer fridge. So this is gonna be just a short little garage fridge thing. Not really anything to confess. I've been gone for a while, mainly due to the fact that we were on a vacation. We went to Cyprus with the family, and that turned out to be a lot better than what I expected. So you're not gonna see me rant much about anything from that trip other than the Russians. There are some selfish people, and there's too much of them. The trip was great. The trip was a lot better than I expected. My kids behaved a lot better than I expected too, so there's no beat downs here. That's okay, I don't beat my kids. I wish I could, but I don't. It's really weird. I'm looking at myself in the iPhone, so if my eyes are just wandering somewhere, you know, it's... But hey, yeah, this is just a little update. I'm still alive. Sorry I haven't posted anything, but I'll get around to it as soon as I get stuff taken care of. So yeah, see you soon.